Hello and welcome to this week's Fundamentals. My name is Thomas, I'm the host of this channel. This week I really want to look at the current price action of cryptocurrency and actually do a prediction for how I'm expecting the rest of the year to go. Just for you, I'm not a financial advisor, so you have to do your own research before you start buying yourself. So let's start off. So actually last year we were expecting 100k Bitcoin, actually 250k based on the plan B model. But this didn't happen. I believe part of that is also market manipulation. So in order to be part of the 10% profitable traders, you need to manipulate the other 90%. So the same reason why everyone is expecting now that we will reach 100k, or at least last year here reached 100k, now I'm also not expecting to hit 20k. It seems like everyone is now waiting to buy all the Bitcoin up at 20k. So I don't believe it reached there. We might already have seen the bottom. Another thing I really want to bring up is that this year we're actually for the first time really confronted with the inflation rate of 7%. Part of it is because of the high gas prices, but the other part is just quantitative easing, which is just printing money. So money became less scarce. When there is a scary time and uncertain times, like we have the tensions in Ukraine, we have still Corona around, we have bans from current countries, I will get into that later. Investors sell their assets to go back into the dollars, back into fiat. But actually this means you sell an asset, but you're actually buying the dollar, so you trust the dollar. Now you move into the dollar and you accept a loss of 7%, which is a lot. Bitcoin is actually made for this. This is actually the solution because Bitcoin isn't inflationary, but deflationary because there's only 21 million and it's harder and harder to mine. So if there is a time to shine for Bitcoin, it should be right now. That is a reason why at this price levels, I personally still buy Bitcoin. Then some other recent news was very interesting. We actually saw both India and Russia banning Bitcoin and regulating it within 2 weeks. So this has really proven that a crypto ban is a great moment to buy and really seems to be the bottom of a bear market. Because the moment you're buying at the bad news and investors become uncertain and sell their Bitcoin, 2 weeks later it's regulated, and that actually is promoting that because in Russia it was actually the central Russian bank saying that crypto should be banned, but it was the Russian government that said, no, we should actually promote it and banks should actually offer services to accept and trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Last but not least, the Bitcoin family moved to Portugal. The Bitcoin family is a Dutch family that really truly lives on Bitcoin. And they moved to Portugal because there is a 0% taxes on cryptocurrency, besides full-time trader. If you would like to know more about that, there is a link below this video where I explain everything about Portuguese crypto taxes. So overall, the news is pretty good. I'm expecting that crypto and Bitcoin will go up this year, especially after March, where we are sure about the inflation rate and we have certainty. We have investors moving back into more riskier assets like stocks and like crypto. So I'm expecting a very exciting year and we might see these prices like 200 and 250k because now we're starting from the bottom of 30k and not from the bottom of 7k that we actually did last year. So with that said, this is the end of the video. I hope it was very helpful. I hope you can also see my vision, but also always do your own research. Please leave a comment below if you agree with this. Also when you disagree with this. I hope you can like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.